it's me again. So I've been getting a lot of questions about the link in bio. Today I decided to do a tutorial with the Bio.site. So watch to the end if you want to learn how to customize the Bio.site and make it a link in bio for your social media platforms. Hey guys, how you guys doing? So this is me on the Bio.site website. So when you come here, this is typically what you get on the forefront or on the first screen you get into after the info ones. So you can put in your username. I'll advise you to put your business name here. So let me just try something, just anything. So something like maybe candles delight. Okay, yeah, so something like this should be nice. So after that, then we're going in. So when you click on it, it will give you a prompt to create your account. So you can set to continue with your email or with your Google. Because I want everything of mine synced, so I usually use my Google, but feel free to choose whichever one is suitable for you. So it will show you all your emails, so you just pick which one works for you. And so I'll just pick this email. After that, you can then continue and it will launch you onto a Squarespace. Yeah, so these are different templates that I can pick. As you can see, depending on what your platform is for, we have different templates that is suitable for almost all businesses or suitable for all businesses. So I like aesthetics a lot, so I'm going to go with the first one. So go with anyone that you feel like works for you. So this is typically what you would get. Okay, so you can add a picture on the first one. You can just simply go to your albums and then pick whichever one you like of your pictures and just upload there, and then you input the name that you want. So I'll still put Candle Delight because that is the name I'm assuming for this tutorial, and then you go on. You can use your social media handle or your business name when you're creating the name. So guys, over here you have where you're adding the links to your social media handle, so that when people come to your link in bio, they're also able to check other links. So I don't use Twitter, so I'm not going to add this. I'm just going to use this too as an example, and then you can add an email as well if you want. So all you need to do is to add the URLs. I already copied this before, so I'll just go ahead and paste them. Okay, and then my email, I'll just use anyone. Yeah, so something like this, and then you proceed. Then if you want to add any links, maybe links to your store, links to your digital product, your website and other stuff, you can add them here. All you need to do is to give them a name something like, if you want, if for example I'm putting my website here, I'll just put check out my website or something here, check out my website, and then I can easily put the URL here, and then I'm good to go. So very easy, and that is it. The link in my bio is ready, and if I want to share to my site, I'll just click on share to site, and this is the link. You copy it, and that is what you will add on your bio. Do let me know if you found this helpful. If you're new to my page, do give a follow. If you have questions, do give comments. See you later.